We've all been there. That moment when a bill pops up and throws your entire financial plan into disarray. But what if there was a way to spread the cost out without drowning in interest? That's where services like Beforepay come in. Beforepay lets you split purchases into manageable installments, giving you breathing room in your budget. But how do you actually pay your Beforepay bill? That's where PayID steps in. It's a super fast and secure way to make payments directly from your bank account, cutting out the hassle of credit cards and lengthy transfer processes. So, if you're a Beforepay user who's tired of messing around with outdated payment methods, this video is for you. We'll break down exactly how to use PayID to pay your Beforepay bill in a few simple steps. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that the specific interface for your banking app might differ slightly. But don't worry, the core functionalities will be very similar. With that in mind, let's get started. Step 1. Find your Beforepay PayID. The first thing you need is your unique Beforepay PayID. This acts like your digital address, allowing your bank to identify where the payment should go. There are a couple of ways to find your PayID. Beforepay app. Open the Beforepay app and navigate to the Payments section. You should see your PayID displayed prominently. It might be your phone number or an email address linked to your account. Email. Beforepay might have sent you a welcome email when you first signed up. This email often contains your unique PayID information. Step 2. Open your banking app. Now it's time to fire up your trusty banking app. Most banks in Nigeria offer PayID functionality, so chances are you'll be good to go. Step 3. Initiate a PayID payment. Here's where things might differ slightly depending on your bank. But generally, you'll want to look for a section titled Pay Anyone or Send Money. Once you find it, there should be an option to specify the payment method. Look for PayID or something similar. Step 4. Enter Beforepay's PayID. This is where you'll put in the magic number, your Beforepay PayID. Remember, it could be your phone number or an email address. Double check to make sure you have it right. Some banks might offer a verify function to confirm the PayID is valid. Take advantage of that if it's available. Step 5. Enter the payment amount. Now it's time to tell your bank how much you're paying towards your Beforepay bill. Enter the exact amount you owe, including any applicable fees. Step 6. Review and send. Before hitting that final button, take a moment to review all the details. Make sure the PayID, amount, and any reference information, if applicable, are all correct. Once you're confident, hit send or pay and voila! Your payment is on its way to Beforepay. Bonus tip: schedule payments, optional. Some banking apps allow you to schedule future payments. This can be a great way to stay on top of your Beforepay bills and avoid late fees. Security matters. Since we're talking about money, let's touch on security for a second. PayID utilizes strong encryption protocols to keep your financial information safe. However, it's always a good practice to be cautious. Never share your PayID with anyone you don't trust, and be mindful of phishing attempts. If an email or message seems suspicious regarding Beforepay or PayID, don't click on any links and contact Beforepay directly for verification. The PayID advantage. So, why choose PayID over other payment methods? Here are some key benefits. Speed. PayID payments are processed almost instantly, meaning your Beforepay bill gets settled right away. Convenience. No need to fumble with credit cards or lengthy bank transfers. PayID payments are all done within your banking app. Security. PayID leverages secure encryption for peace of mind. Beforepay made easy. By utilizing PayID, you can streamline your Beforepay payments and take control of your finances. Remember, even small purchases can add up, so staying on top of your installments is key. With this newfound knowledge, you can confidently manage your Beforepay account and avoid any unwanted financial surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.